Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother Hasan Hammad from the Islamic Society of Baltimore, and I wanted to talk to you about something amazing that's happening in our community. Right here in our backyard is the Muslim Family Center. You probably heard about this community over the past several years. You want to know why? Because it's our community. It's our community led by our brothers and sisters, led by one of our imams, Imam Sami Zaharna. It's a beautiful community that has spent the last several years focusing on building families and strengthening families. And all of us in this area have benefited from the great work that they've been doing. So now, I say this why? Because I wanted to talk to you about something that they're doing that's amazing, that's going to be good for us and this entire area and this entire region, for your kids, for my kids, and for everyone else. It's the Gateway to Paradise project that they're doing. They're embarking on a journey to finally have a beautiful home for this wonderful community that they've established. And I want you and all of us to do something to make sure that we're a part of it. They're on their way to closing the gap on the purchase of a beautiful building, which will inshallah be the new home of the Muslim Family Center. And every single one of us need to make sure that some part of that is from us, and that Allah rewards us for the great work that they are going to continue to do, inshallah, as they take on this new project and purchase the building. I ask you all, please go to the link, look at the project, look at the work that they've been doing, mashallah, and make sure that that home is also our home, and we do our part to make sure that it inshallah is purchased and established the new Gateway to Paradise. Jazakallah khairan to all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.